check out this Plymouth Roadrunner. Look at this, guys. Outrageous wing. Look at this thing, guys. Beautiful car. Nice, nice. Adjustable wing, everything. Holy crap. This might be an actual real Roadrunner instead of like a rebuild or something, you know? Holy crap. Holy crap, it's on polyglass tires.
The aerodynamicists on this car purposely kept it away from the styling because they didn't want them hanging all kinds of little fancy things on it. You know, it was done strictly for aerodynamics, strictly to go fast. Styling, forget it. Don't even talk to us about it. So
I heard that before.
Yeah.
And when proposing the final car in the race, they said, let's look at them. They said, well, do you want it to go fast and win, or do you want it to look fast?
right. That's right. You had a price where the time said that's the ugliest car I've ever seen.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.